future-proofing the property for not just my wife, but as the way bills are going up, it's the way forward, and trying to go greener, carbon footprint and all that. But to be fair, yourselves, you explained everything that we really needed to know. The journey from start to where we are now has been faultless. The information was there, anything we needed to know, we just rang them, and anything they needed to know from us, they were in contact with us. So yeah, to be honest, very good. Very effortless, to be honest. It's not as dear as I was expecting, and the fact that they rang us to see if we'd like a bigger powered battery, which no problem, and then they offered us different solar panels. So yeah, couldn't fault it. It's been brilliant. I would recommend Hive, without a shadow of a doubt, solely on the experience that we've had. You know, like I said, we can't fault it. So yeah, we'd certainly recommend them.